Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be canning up some pork shoulder butt. We got these last year. As you can see, it was $17.82 and we got it for $7.70. We got several of these. I've got 4 to can today. I wanted to get these canned up so they'll last longer, and we're going to make room in the freezer for more if we see any more sales. But they need to be canned up or something before they get freezer burn. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to do this the same way I do all the meats. I'm going to cut most of the fat off, but I'm going to leave some because that's where the flavor is. I'm going to cut this meat off the bone and just cut it in chunks. You can cut it in however big chunks you want. Just what you want to fit in a jar. If you cut bigger pieces, you know, you're not going to get as much in a jar. But I'm going to cut probably at least 1-inch cubes. And I'll save this fat. I'll put that in some pork broth to make pork broth. It won't go to waste. Okay, got that one cut up. I'm going on to the next one. This one was $26.27. We got it for $10.44. You can save money by catching sales and then freezing and canning later. Okay, we got the meat cut up. I've got this to go in the freezer for broth. I've got my jars washed, and I've got cold water in my canner. This is going to be cold jars going in the canner, so you don't want hot water. It could bust your jars. And then I've got some vinegar to wipe the rims of the jars. Let's get started. Okay, all you do is throw your meat in the jars. I am doing raw pack. That's how I do all my meats. They get really tender. We'll use this to sort of pack it down a little bit. You want to bring it up to 1-inch head space, which is that rim right there. This will make its own juices. And it should be about 2 pounds for a quart. A pint is 1 pound usually. Okay, I'm going to put salt in it. You don't have to put salt. It's a teaspoon per quart and a half teaspoon per pint. But you don't have to put salt. You could also put any seasonings in you want. Just you don't want anything with flour or cornstarch in it. And the salt needs to be, I've got cannon salt, just any kind of salt that's not iodized. Like table salt, it wouldn't be good for canning. It discolors the food. Okay, I've got some vinegar on a piece of cloth and just going to wipe it off. The meat could have grease or there's stuff on there, and then it won't seal if there's anything on it. Okay, then you just put a lid and a ring on, fingertip tight. Just fingertip tight. And put them in the canner. Okay, I got 7 quart jars out of that. There's 17 pounds, and I had to cut out the bones and a lot of the fat. Okay, I put the vinegar in that was left over. That'll just keep your jars clean from the mineral deposits. Okay, I'm going to put the lid on. When this comes up to a steady stream of steam, I'm going to time it for 10 minutes, put the weight on, and then when it comes up to pressure, I'll process it for 90 minutes. And here they are, canned pork butt. This is real good, just opened up and ate by itself. Heat it up and put barbecue sauce. And it's even good to put taco seasoning and have pork tacos. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.